Welcome back. For those of you who don't know me or are new, my name is Sam on Demand, but you can call me Sam. And today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial, a quick and easy one that should take about 5 minutes or less for a quick day or something. So in case y'all didn't know, I have a mirror right here. So when I'm looking down, that's why I'm looking down. And so let's begin. So I'm going to start with my Olay Complete Sensitive Daily Moisturizer Cream with Sunscreen. It's broad spectrum SPF 15 because, as you can see, I am white. So I have to protect my skin or I'll get sunburned easily. So we're just going to put this on. Alright, so the Olay is done. So then next I am going to use lotion on my hands. I don't like that. I'm going to take out my concealer and this is Almay Clear Complexion Concealer. And so I just put it over like the pimples that I have incoming. And I like to dab it instead of rubbing it so it fully gets on it. So we're going to stick this back, make sure that's like that. And so next we're going to do the mascara. And my head is just, I use a mixture of them. So I'm going to use one of my favorites, which is the black Katy Cat Eye, Katy Perry CoverGirl. So that's what I'm going to do. And so now I'm going to get a cotton swab and I'm going to just get the remainders off. So I usually close my eyes 3 times and do that. And so then for the last step, well, second to last step, I put chapstick on. And so I'm using the EOS, I think it's Mocha Pumpkin, I'm not sure. But I have like 3 different ones of these, so this is what I'm using right now. Or I'll use my Burt's Bees Cranberry, and it's just like a lipstick chapstick basically. And so the final step to this easy and quick look is to choose your choice of lip gloss. And so for my choice, I'm going to choose one of my favorites, which is, as you can see, I put this in another video of mine, the NYC Lip Shine Liquid. And it does not say what kind it is. Oh. It's the Brighton Beach Peach 575. And it is one of my favorites, so this is the final touch. So this was my quick and easy makeup look, but to finish this off, I prepared ahead of time my hair. So I did beach waves for my hair. Well, I attempted to do beach waves. And so let's take out my hair and see how it looks. Alright, so this is the final look of this quick and easy makeup look using only mascara. Oh my gosh, my nose is itching. So it was mascara, chapstick, I just said that. Lip gloss. I use a cream personally for me. And then concealer. So those were 5 ingredients in an easy, less than 5-minute quick tutorial. And then to end it off, I just had beach waves, which look pretty good if I have to say. So if you want any more of these kind of tutorials, just comment below, hair, makeup, whatever. And don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment, or whatever y'all want to do. And have a great day.